Building a faceless YouTube channel will be easier with the examples and ideas that I'll share with you in this video. You can start as a complete beginner, just make sure to follow me till the end of this video to get every step right. Before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. So with that said, I'm going to proceed right away with the very first niche that you can go for if you want to start YouTube without showing your face, and that is the luxury niche. So I'm going to show you an example with some YouTube channels. So this is called Mr. Luxury, and you're going to notice that they got like more than 600,000 of subscribers, and they just post videos related to luxury. For example, the world's most expensive Airbnb, the most expensive yacht in the world, top 10 highest paid athletes 2022, and so on. So you're just basically going to find some of this information on Google. You can find a lot of articles, you can see the most expensive cars over there and so on, and you're going to just start creating this kind of videos. And I want to mention that they are just providing some photos and also stock videos in order to create these videos, and sometimes they just put a voiceover. There is someone who talks over there in order to give this information. Of course, you can do this by yourself. You can even just hire someone on different freelancing websites so they can do that for you. But if you don't want to pay anyone, you can do it by yourself. You're just going to record your voice by just using your phone, your smartphone, and then you can just use another platform in order to put those videos and your voice together. And you can use a video editing software just like OpenShot, a video editor. This is over at openshot.org. So in order to find stock footage related to luxury, you can go over to Faceless.com. Here you can find the best free stock photos, royalty-free images and videos shared by creators. You can download them for absolutely free and use them for free. For example, you can just write a luxury here, and you can even find luxury home, house, cars, and so on, and they're going to give you a lot of results. As you can see, these look pretty awesome. Actually, you can even just find videos if you want to, and the videos look awesome too, so you can use them in order to create your videos. So for example, you are going to talk about luxury cars, you can just get those videos over here, just do a voiceover and use openshot.org in order to just edit your videos. So this was the very first niche that I wanted to start with. I'm going to proceed to the second one, which is the animal niche. This channel is called Animal Facts. So for the name, you know that they are just giving some animal facts and information, and they got like more than 182,000 subscribers. So basically, you're just going to get a lot of information about different animals, even dogs. As you can see, they are focusing on dogs mostly, and you're going to just create this kind of videos. They even are using stock footage even for this channel. So it's basically very easy, just like I explained even before. Go over to Pexels, for example, and just search for dogs or even animals, depends on the videos that you are going to make, and you're going to find a lot of videos with high quality here that you can use for your YouTube videos, and do a voiceover when you get and talk about those interesting facts and information about dogs and so on. So you can just use even another platform which is very similar to Pexels.com, and it's called Pixabay.com, and even here you can find free stock video footage and clips, and you can download them for free by just clicking on the download button over here. So I'm going to proceed right away to the fact that you need to use some thumbnails in order to make these videos more attractive for people. So they look pretty awesome actually, and you can recreate these thumbnails actually with this platform called Canva.com. Canva is free, of course they use a pro plan as well, but you can go for the free one. Don't worry, create an account and you can take advantage of their free features. So for example, you can just go over to the search bar and search for YouTube thumbnails. They're going to give you a lot of results with even some already made templates. You can use them and customize them however you want, and you can even use pictures of dogs or animals here because you can edit them. You can just delete some of these elements here, you can add your own elements, and you can even find those photos on Pexels.com and upload them over to Canva in order to use them for your thumbnails. And you can create some good looking thumbnails just like these ones here, and you can make them cute and also interesting so people can click on them. So with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to another niche, which is the food niche. This channel is called Mashed, and I got more than 1 million of subscribers. And you don't need to cook, actually, don't worry about that. They are just giving some interesting facts about different food in the world. You can just check out their videos as well, and you're going to make similar videos to these ones. Find some interesting facts over at Google by doing your own research. Maybe you have a book, so you can just do a voiceover. You don't need to show your face, just present some stock footage over here. It depends what your video is going to be about. And you can even go over to this platform called socialblade.com, and you can just see their estimated monthly and also yearly earnings, which is a lot actually. So it has a lot of potential to be very profitable. It also depends on you and how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the desired results. You're going to notice that they're posting a lot of videos actually, like 4 videos per day. So it depends on you on how much videos you are willing to make and post. So with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to another niche, which is the geography niche. I'm over here at this channel called Atlas Pro. They got more than 1 million of subscribers, and they're just making some videos related to geography. For example, is Australia an island? Also some different and interesting facts. Also, you can even focus on history. You can just present, for example, like some interesting facts about different countries in the world and so on. You can go over to Social Blade to even see their profit over here, their estimated earnings. But you're going to notice that they're not posting very frequently actually. So you can, it depends on you, just like I said before, how much you're going to post and how much free time you have. So you can even check out this other example. This channel is called Wonder Why. They got more than 700,000 of subscribers, and they're doing pretty much the same thing. They post videos in the history and geography niche. And you're going to notice that they are talking about the war between Ukraine and Russia, why countries change their flags, the worst prediction from history. So they are just presenting some interesting facts that people might consider very interesting, of course, and they can watch these videos, they can get some information from it, and of course you can just create a very profitable channel. So even this platform is not posting very frequently actually. You're going to notice these videos was like 4 weeks ago, this one here 5 months ago, 10 months ago, and so on. So even the profits are not very high for the moment because they have a drop in their video views. So with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to another niche, which is going to be the psychology niche. This channel is called Brainy Dose, and they got more than 2 million of subscribers. You're going to notice what kind of videos they are doing, and basically they're providing photos. As you can see, as I said even before, you can find this kind of photos over at Faceless.com and even Pixabay.com, and they're just doing a voiceover. They're talking about different things related to psychology and so on. You can check out what they're doing to just replicate these videos, find different information on different articles, books, and so on, and you can provide them over here by doing a voiceover. With that said, this was the last one. I want to mention that if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Aiden Emia's World.